In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana Timeline. If you've built a project plan in Asana and want to share it with teammates, clients, or stakeholders who don't use Asana, exporting your timeline is a quick way to create a polished snapshot or a spreadsheet you can analyze further. I'll walk you through the exact clicks along with a few tips to help you get the best result. Start by opening your project in Asana. Make sure you're in the right workspace or team, then select the specific project you want to export. It helps to double check that you've got the correct project if you manage several similar ones, because the export reflects exactly what's in the timeline you're viewing. Next, click the Timeline tab. You'll find it near the top of your project view alongside other views like List, Board, or Calendar. The timeline view shows your tasks laid out over time with start and due dates and any dependencies you've set. If you don't see the timeline tab, it may be due to your plan or permissions, so confirm you're accessing a project where timeline is available. Once you're in the timeline view, look to the top left of the screen for the small drop-down arrow next to your project's name. Click that arrow to open the Project Actions menu. This is where Asana groups key options related to your project, including the one we need for exporting. From that menu, select Export Print. This command prepares a version of your timeline that can be saved or shared outside Asana. After choosing Export Print, you'll be prompted to choose a format. You have two options, PDF or CSV. Pick PDF if you want a clean, ready-to-share snapshot of the timeline as it appears on your screen. This is ideal for sending to stakeholders, attaching to a status update, or printing for a meeting. The PDF typically mirrors your current view, so whatever date range, zoom level, and filters you're using will influence what's captured. Choose CSV if you prefer a data-friendly format you can open in spreadsheet tools like Excel or Google Sheets. CSV is great if you want to sort, filter, chart, or combine your task data with other reports. It includes the timeline-relevant details such as task names and dates, which you can structure and analyze however you like. That's it. Open your project, go to the Timeline tab, use the drop-down next to the project name, select Export, Print, and choose PDF or CSV. You'll have a shareable version of your Asana timeline in just a few clicks.